Good morning. I just had new tires put on the CB650F here. They are Dunlop Roadsmart 3 front and rear. I just took it home from Yamaha dealer last evening, yesterday. I had them put them on, and I'm running short on time myself, so the coolant needed changing, so I had them do that as well. When I got home, the coolant recovery tank was empty, so I wasn't too impressed with that, but I filled it to where it should be, and gonna take it for a decent ride now and get it heated up and make sure it isn't drawing any back into the radiator if it was an airlock that they didn't bleed out. So my previous tires were Dunlop Roadsmart 2, and these ones are the Dunlop Roadsmart 3. I'm not sure if I said Roadsport before or Roadsmart. Anyway, that's what they are, Roadsmart 3. And I chose them because I am hoping to get a little bit more life out of them. I had pretty good life out of the Roadsport 2. I think it was about 11,000 kilometers. But it was 11,000 kilometers front and rear. Normally I'd get a lot more out of the front and a little more out of the rear. So according to reviews I've read, depending on the bike and who's riding it, I figure I'm going to get more life out of these. Plus they are dual compound, whereas the Roadsport 2 are single compound. So I find you get a little bit more of that flattening on the center with a single compound, because the sides, which you don't get on as much, wear the same rate. So the dual compound, the sides will wear a little quicker than the center compound, and because you don't get on the sides as much as you ride in the center, it kind of evens out the wear a little bit more. I've noticed that before with dual compound tires. Man, I haven't done a video in ages. It's been a while. I just haven't felt like it. So there you go. And I know that not as many people watch my videos that feature the CB650F, but I liked the bike, so it deserves equal time with my CRF 300L. Yeah, it sure is nice having new tires. You know, you get used to the old ones, right? And they square off a little bit and don't turn in as smoothly. Then you get new tires and you notice the difference. It feels pretty good. Especially in the sunshine. The difference that makes in a ride, eh? Especially in this part of the year, in this part of the world. See all the fall colors here in the bushes? Very nice. This bike seems to like the slightly cooler weather like this. Like I said, it's around 10 degrees right now. So the air is a little denser. It does seem to perform well. I mean, it always performs well, but I notice a little bit of an edge when it's cooler. This bike has been pretty trouble-free. I bought it in 2019. It's a 2018. I bought it new. Still on the showroom floor. I got it at an excellent price. And since then, I've just done normal maintenance, you know, just the required stuff. And it has been, well, to this point, flawless. Never an unexpected issue, at least that I can recall. It's always been reliable. Performance has never changed. Yeah. It's a pretty nice bike to ride, I'll tell you. It's got enough power with 94 horsepower, a little more now that, you know, I've done a couple things to it. It's probably closer to 100. And the inline four and the way they've engineered this bike to have a little more torque just makes it a very smooth, very nice bike to ride under most conditions. It's not snatchy or abrupt, but the power is there in spades if you want it. Well, I didn't sleep well last night. I think I got a total of 4 hours sleep. Ooh, what a view, eh? I love that. Yeah, so I'm not on full energy today, but not bad. I thought I'd skip my workout though. That might be pushing it too much. Yeah, sometimes your mind works against you, eh? You know, like when you can't sleep and your brain is turning. I never used to have that issue, but lately a little bit. Now and then I get that. But in reality, your brain should always be to your benefit. I mean, it's your brain, right? Why should it do things that hurt you? You know, when you get into stress or what have you, makes you feel bad and hurts your body. So sometimes I think we just have to remind ourselves that our brain is there for our benefit. And it's our brain. So that means we have the control. We own it. Sometimes we forget that, eh? Usually I would go to a parking lot and scrub the tires in when they're new. I didn't do that, but I'm taking it easy, so give them a little bit of scrubbing here in the corners, but nothing too crazy. Well, I'd say we're coming to the end of the video here, so thanks for joining me. And down the line somewhere, I'll tell you what I think of these Dunlop Roadsmart 3 tires. I think I'll be happy with them, but hey, we'll see how they wear. Anyway, you take care, you ride safe, you have fun, and I'll catch you on another one, eh?